My mom is 58. She used to weigh nearly 90 kilograms, had belly fat, shortness of breath, insomnia, and knee pain. The doctor warned that, without timely weight loss, her risk of diabetes and high blood pressure would rise fast. So last month, I changed her diet and added 6 simple detox salads. Amazingly, in just 30 days, she lost nearly 25 kilograms, felt lighter, slept better, and her skin became glowing again. Before we dive in, if you enjoy natural health and beauty tips, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Live Well Every Day. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get our latest updates. If you find this video helpful, comment with a 1. And if not, just drop a 0 so I can keep improving. Now, let's begin our journey to discover foods that not only make you healthier, but also more beautiful with every bite. First, let me share why cucumbers are so effective in burning belly fat. Cucumbers are made up of 96% water, which means if you eat about 300 grams of cucumbers, your body absorbs the equivalent of a large bottle of mineral water. This natural hydration helps your liver and kidneys detox, purifies the blood, reduces water retention in fat tissues, and cools down the body. Cucumbers also contain plenty of soluble fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants, nutrients that aid digestion, increase satiety, curb cravings, and boost fat burning, especially in the abdominal and visceral fat areas, which directly affect heart health and blood pressure. Cucumbers also have mild anti-inflammatory properties, making them great for those with liver heat, acne, or indigestion issues. To use cucumbers properly, here's a super simple salad you can make at home. Prepare 2 fresh cucumbers, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or juice from half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and a pinch of pink salt. If you like, you can add a few mint leaves, a bit of roasted sesame, or a small spoon of chia seeds to boost fiber and omega-3. Wash the cucumbers well, keep the skin on, then slice them thinly or julienne them. Mix all ingredients together and let it marinate for about 10 minutes to absorb the flavor. You should eat this salad in the morning, about 30 minutes before breakfast, or have it as a light dinner. If you stick to eating it twice a day for about 30 days, you'll definitely notice a flatter belly, a lighter body, and more radiant skin. However, I do have a few small tips to help you get the most out of this salad. If you have low blood pressure, reduce the apple cider vinegar or replace it with lemon juice. Avoid eating cucumber salad right after a main meal to prevent digestive issues. Also, try to walk for about 30 minutes a day and drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water to support detoxification. Finally, don't rely on this salad as a complete meal replacement. Your body still needs enough protein, good carbs, and healthy fats to maintain long-term health. The cucumber salad should just be a helpful addition to your overall balanced diet. 2. Oatmeal with chia seeds and unsweetened nut milk. One of the simplest yet incredibly effective dishes for reducing visceral fat, managing blood sugar, and enhancing skin health is oatmeal combined with chia seeds and unsweetened nut milk. This dish is not only easy to prepare, but also perfect for anyone on a weight loss journey or simply looking to maintain a healthy weight long term. Oats are a slow-digesting carbohydrate rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber known for lowering bad cholesterol, aiding digestion, and promoting a longer feeling of fullness. Meanwhile, chia seeds offer a generous amount of omega-3s fiber and plant-based protein, which help regulate blood sugar, fight inflammation, and support the conversion of excess fat into energy. Unsweetened nut milks, such as almond, walnut, or cashew milk, provide healthy, unsaturated fats that don't contribute to fat storage, and they also nourish the skin and slow down aging thanks to their high vitamin E content. You can enjoy this oatmeal in the morning for a light, energizing start to the day, or use it as a gentle but nutritious dinner substitute. To enhance flavor and nutrition, sprinkle on some roasted walnuts or add a few slices of low-sugar fresh fruits like kiwi, green apple, or strawberries. This dish is especially suitable for older adults, people with digestive issues, those with fatty liver, early-stage diabetes, or anyone following a healthy plant-based diet. When eaten regularly every day, you'll begin to notice your body feeling lighter, your waistline gradually slimming, and your skin becoming smoother and more radiant, all without extreme dieting or intense exercise. 3. Avocado salad with boiled eggs and leafy greens. A simple yet powerful dish that supports your figure, hormones, and overall health, especially for women over 35, is avocado salad with boiled eggs and leafy greens. This meal not only keeps you full and curbs cravings, but also delivers essential nutrients that beautify the skin and hair while enhancing your body's metabolism. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that help lower bad cholesterol, support heart health, and balance female hormones. Thanks to their high levels of vitamin E, B vitamins, and antioxidants, avocados also nourish the skin, smooth the hair, and fight aging from within. Boiled eggs, on the other hand, provide complete protein and essential amino acids that help build muscle, firm up the body, and boost energy metabolism. Adding leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, or kale brings in even more fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, and folate, all vital for better digestion, detoxification, and maintaining a light, energized feeling in the body. You can enjoy this salad at lunch or dinner, paired with a small spoon of olive oil and a splash of lemon juice to enhance the flavor and support the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. When eaten the right way and paired with a healthy lifestyle, this avocado egg green salad not only helps you manage your weight, but also promotes glowing skin, a toned figure, and long-lasting vitality from the inside out. 4. Pumpkin soup with lotus seeds. A dish that's light on the stomach, helps calm the mind, and supports healthy weight loss, perfect for evening meals, is pumpkin soup with lotus seeds. This dish is especially ideal for those who often feel stressed, suffer from insomnia, or have a habit of late-night snacking, as it helps soothe the nervous system, stabilize sleep, and reduce false hunger caused by hormonal imbalances. Pumpkin is a rich source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A that brightens the skin, boosts immunity, and slows cellular aging. The fiber in pumpkin also aids digestion, creates a longer-lasting feeling of fullness, and helps regulate blood sugar after meals. Meanwhile, lotus seeds are well known for their natural sedative properties, thanks to the alkaloids they contain, compounds that calm the central nervous system, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. In addition, lotus seeds are high in plant-based protein, magnesium, and phosphorus, nutrients that stabilize blood sugar, support muscle recovery, and effectively reduce stress. To make this soup, simmer the pumpkin and lotus seeds until tender, then blend them into a smooth puree with a bit of unsweetened nut milk if you enjoy a creamy texture. Have it in the evening about 2 hours before bedtime to give your body time to digest, calm the mind, and avoid overnight fat storage. When consumed 2 to 3 times per week, you'll begin to feel more relaxed, experience a lighter belly, enjoy rosier skin, and fall into deeper, more natural sleep. 5. Low-sugar fruits with Greek yogurt. A delicious and health-boosting option for your waistline, skin, and digestive system is the combination of low-sugar fruits with Greek yogurt. This is an ideal snack, light breakfast, or post-workout meal that keeps you full without causing weight gain. Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess water, resulting in a thick, creamy texture, and double the protein content of regular yogurt while containing less sugar. It's perfect for those on a diet or managing blood sugar. Most importantly, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, beneficial bacteria that balance gut microbiota, improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, and help reduce belly fat buildup caused by chronic digestive issues. When your digestive system is healthy, you'll feel less bloated, your skin will appear brighter, and your mood will become more stable. As for the fruit, it's best to choose those with a low glycemic index such as kiwi, strawberries, blueberries, or green apples. These fruits are not only low in sugar, but also rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, which are excellent for your skin and support weight loss. Avoid ripe bananas, grapes, or mangoes, as they contain higher sugar content and can lead to spikes in blood sugar and fat storage if consumed in large amounts. It's simple to prepare. Just mix Greek yogurt with a few slices of fresh, washed, and chopped fruit. You can also add some flax seeds, chia seeds, or a teaspoon of raw honey. If you prefer a slightly sweeter taste, eating this 2 to 3 times a week will leave you feeling lighter, with better digestion, and noticeably brighter skin day by day. So, I've just shared with you 5 simple, yet incredibly effective dishes and drinks that support your figure, skin, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to the channel to continue receiving more practical and easy-to-apply nutrition tips. Wishing you good health, confidence, and abundant energy every single day.